Toronto to Edmonton, and who else?
Bob Sports Cards Retro 2012-13 Retro box combined with a Prime box eBay break. You don't number these eBay breaks, right? We're going to start with the Retro first.
Retro.
Casualty's all excited.
Well, what team is Casualty at?
He doesn't have anybody in this. He didn't know there was a Prime break. He didn't know there was a box of Prime involved.
Whatever.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is box in a box in a box.
Feels heavy?
Super heavy. There's going to be...
Right there. Should leave stuff alone.
Stop it.
The ones off.
Is the camera on? Why are you videoing?
So you just everyone that bought a spot. Not one person on it that bought a spot.
Now they go to YouTube and they watch it.
On YouTube.
Technology.
Yeah, but you're videoing it on YouTube?
Yeah, doing both. Nobody on eBay even on it. I walked.
Nobody on
Not one
Breakers.
person on YouTube.
Did you click on something?
So you're not on. Oh, but you're doing everything the way you usually do.
Yes.
Go live also. Yeah.
Okay. First pack.
First pack. Bobby Orr base. Taylor Hall EX.
That's me.
Theoren Fleury. Retro. Ultra. Dale Howardchuk
What's
base.
that Taylor Howard?
I don't know. Couple bucks. Edmonton. Who had Edmonton?
Me.
Ilya Kovalchuk, former Devil. Pavel Datsuk, Eric Lindros, electrifying. Bobby Hall, Jonas Hiller.
Who did I have again? What team? Edmonton, Toronto.
Detroit and Montreal.
Oh, I got it on.
There's only so many packs. Stamkos, Lemieux, first auto. Brett Bulmer,
What team is that?
Minnesota Wild.
Wild. Who had Wild?
Sakic. Ryan Smith just announced his retirement. Last game tomorrow. That's sad.
He's a good player.
Yes.
Love going back to Edmonton, Ron. Who had Minnesota?
When nobody wanted to go to Edmonton, he wanted to go to Edmonton.
Like $1.
Brett Bowman. Oh. Pecorine. Ooh, rookie Tyson Barrie for Colorado. That's a nice card. Marcus Naslund. Thomas Vanek.
Who had Colorado back? Okay, let him get some.
Hey,
I got Boston, Washington, Matt Sundin, PK Subban,
Oh, that's nice.
Sven Barchi, Ultra Stars. He kind of disappeared. Nicholas Backstrom, Jonathan Taves. Gotta get these feet under. Johan Franzen. Ooh, Chris Kreider auto. Dion
Oh,
Phaneuf. There's your Chris Kreider auto.
it's a rookie.
Who had the Rangers? Paul Coffey. Jordan Everly.
Who had the Rangers? That's a good one.
That's a good one.
How much is that card? Like 30, 40 bucks, no?
He's kind of hurt now. They're going to make the playoffs.
Colorado. How many seasons that guy have? Just one? At the Rangers, should be happy. See a new guy?
Yeah.
This Kreider. 2 autos. How many autos per box?
3 in each mini box.
Ryan Nugent Hopkins.
Oh, that's mine.
Flair Showcase. Who had Edmonton? Taylor Hall. Retro. 92, 91, 93. Lindros Tavares.
Do the baseball right after this.
You have baseball stuff?
Gretzky base card.
What team?
Edmonton.
That's other
Brad
ones,
Richards. Evgeny Malkin. Flair Showcase. Alex Pietrangelo. Retro. Jonathan Quick.
Okay, let's move this.
We're moving. A lot of packs in this retro. Everyone's loving it. Jean Beliveau.
Yeah.
Joe Sakic, Metal Universe. Colorado, killing it. Eberle, Edmonton. Edmonton's doing really well, too. Crosby, Curtis Joseph.
What was it for auto? The best part was the Crowder so far by a mile.
Yeah, 3 of those came out.
No, they didn't.
Daniel Sedin, Metal Universe. Vancouver. Bergeron. Lars Eller.
Okay, that's the first box.
That was first box.
What was the 3 autos? Minnesota?
Minnesota, Brett Bulmer.
Colorado.
Colorado, Tyson Barrie.
Oh.
And Chris Kreider.
Kreider's one of the best autos I've seen out of this product. There haven't been that many good autos out of this.
Those were actually 3 of the better ones you could probably hope for. Or a Wendell Clark, which you'd take, wouldn't you?
You don't have enough Wendell.
Oh, another Gretzky.
Edmonton uniform?
No. Jeff Skinner. Jonathan Quick. EX. Anthony Niemi.
How's it, Tony?
Danny Heatley. 6 minutes.
You go back to the base box here?
Well, we get the prime.
Right.
Oh, Milan Lucic. Boston.
Blue,
Flair
what
Showcase. 105 of 150. Look at that. Own it.
Who got that?
I don't know. Another Taylor Hall. Yari Curry. Doug Gilmore. Who's this? Matt Halashuk. Matthew Halashuk, auto.
What's the
Skybox. Nashville Predators. San Jose Sharks. James Shepard, auto. Ovechkin, Francis, base card.
It's a normally good box.
Boston Bruins. Tyler Sagan. Playmakers Theater.
Sure doesn't say Dallas on it?
Out of 100. 9 out of 100.
Tyler Seguin. I got his cup rookie.
Yeah.
3 color pack here.
Seguin.
Sagan.
Get out of here.
Oh, Seguin. Let's see another good auto. Nice Edmonton auto.
Tyler Seguin's having a pretty good year. Oh, Jason Arnott,
No.
auto.
What team is that? He played on a lot of Blues.
Blues.
TJ Wetz.
He's a devil hero.
You know who he is?
Eric Stahl, Henrik Lundqvist.
Oh, yeah. I saw those first two.
Yeah, this one's pretty normal.
Normally good.
Anze Kopitar,
Anze Kopitar.
Los Angeles.
Numbered? No.
No. Evgeny Malkin, Bruins, or Penguins. Brad Marchand, Bruins.
Brad Marchand. Those are just regular base cards.
It's hard to tell on this product. There's so many different inserts. Timu Solani, Flair Showcase. Not numbered. Adam Larson. Jason Spezza.
Did 3 autos come out or only 2?
No, I think that's it.
No, there was 2.
Arnott and
Halachek. Whatever.
Matt Halashuk.
That was it.
Should be one more auto. Should be.
Metal Universe to the Dallas Stars, Brett Hull.
Dallas Stars have been hitting a couple, I think.
Yeah. Shane Doan. David Backus.
Last pack. Hopefully.
Last pack. Hopefully there's a green. Yeah, what do you got? 10 minutes or 15?
15.
Ryan Nugent Hopkins, Metal Universe, Edmonton. Backed up by a Taylor Hall, Fleer Retro, base card, Ginlin, Kopitar.
Okay, let's
That was it.
It's only one pack of prime. It shouldn't be long. Two.
No.
Huh?
We're at 9.5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Get these out of the way. Get them sorted out tonight. Bob will be here late tonight. Call the store. Panini Prime Hockey. Box number 71.
Good luck, everybody. A monster.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
You got a James Shepard auto.
James Shepard.
Cut that.
How many hits in this box?
We didn't even get a precious metal gem out of that record.
Nah, not PMG. They were hard to get in hockey. I don't know.
They forgot to make them. What is this?
Just rip it open.
Oh, take them both.
I'm not going to. What do you want me to use my teeth?
I do.
That's what I said.
Only two guys still in.
Keith Yandel. Somebody's looking for a Keith Yandel. Prime. Oh, the Dominion pack. Don't forget about that.
Do the Dominion one first. Which one do you do first?
Do the Prime first. We'll save the Dominion. Oh my God, these things are like.
Dave and who's that? Dave.
Dave Andrechuk, 62 out of 249.
Ah, great. You got a nice
Hold it up.
patch with a bunch of teams.
There you go.
Oh, beautiful patch card, but a bunch.
Whoa! Columbus with a nice hit. 2 out of 5.
It's all Columbus?
All Columbus. Jordy, Goluboff, Prout, and Sean Hunwick. 2 out of 5.
Who had Columbus?
It's a 5? Oh, my God.
That guy did
That's
good.
nice, yeah.
Oh, there's my card.
Wings. Riley Sheehan, Pavel Datsuk.
Oh, I
out
got
of
a
200.
Montreal auto, man.
Yeah, that's an awesome patch, Don.
Robert Meyer,
Who is he?
60 out of 9.
Some Canadians.
Canadian goaltender. He can't be that bad.
So I got two cards for this prime pack.
Yeah.
Who's
Tyler Kuma, 41 out of 249.
that, Calgary?
Quad jersey, Minnesota. Auto.
Minnesota did good. So I got some autos. Who had Minnesota? Bottom.
Dominion pack.
Oh,
Penguin.
Oof.
See a penguin.
Whoa, wow, look at this.
Oh,
Who had the Kings?
Who had the Kings?
Engravatures.
Jimmy Herman with the Kings.
Jonathan Quick, 2 out of 15. Not autoed.
what's that? Just a regular card.
No, it's got some kind of like a.
Just like the metal plate.
The metal-
Who's that? Mario?
That's a ton.
Who's the penguin guy?
13 minutes.
Oh.
Plenty of time. Penguin, Jerome McGinley, 77 to 125.
All right, Rob, time for live. Awesome.
Good, very good. Enjoyed it.
That's it.
Nicest
Panini.
card. I think the nicest
Top
card was the
score card.
Columbus Blue Jacket.
.com.
The Columbus Blue Jacket was the
Show one
nicest
time.
card in the thing.
It's all Columbus, right? Yep.
That's easy. You don't need to do it.
That's a
now.
nice patch.
Can I see that one? Okay, we're doing the baseball.
Okay. Thanks, guys. BobSportsCards.com.